This one is called the down-up opening. You're going to be starting by holding the bite handle, the one with the latch, in your palm, and you're going to be holding the bite handle in a normal pinch grip with your thumb and your index. You're next going to swing the safe handle out just like this, and you're going to be maintaining that grip on the bite handle with your thumb and your index, but removing these 3 fingers from here and putting them on the back of the safe handle. The next step is you're going to remove your thumb, drop the bite handle, flag the thumb, and catch. So again, holding the bite handle, swing the safe, remove these fingers, keep this grip, put them on the back, and catch. In practicing this move, it's going to be difficult at first to make this one fluent motion. So start by practicing the first 2 steps in 2 steps to get used to it, and eventually you'll be able to do it in one quick fluid motion. And here's what it should look like.